The Casper criteria for psoriatic arthritis. To meet the criteria, the patient should have 3 or more than 3 points from any of the 5 following categories. It can be divided into 2 for the ease of study, 3 from history or clinical examination, 2 from investigations. There should be an evidence of current psoriasis, which can be skin or scalp psoriasis, which is given a point of 2, or a personal history of psoriasis, which is given a point of 1, or a family history of psoriasis, which is also given a point of 1. Then typical psoriatic nail dystrophy, which includes pitting, subungual hyperkeratosis and onycholysis. Also, either current dactylitis or a history of dactylitis. Dactylitis means swelling of a whole finger. Also from the investigations, rheumatoid factor to be negative. Also in X-ray, radiographic evidence of juxta-articular newborn formation in the hand or foot. Thus, this is the Casper criteria for psoriatic arthritis. Thank you.